So here, A, I've got y is greater than x minus 2. Can we graph that inequality?
Yes.
What does it look like? Negative 2, that's the y-intercept. Up 1, right 1, right? Because it's a slope of 1. Okay, how am I going to draw this line?
Dotted.
Yeah,
Like
dashed. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the hills we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making those spirits bright. Oh, I put it in my Christmas tree during the virtual days. Okay, anyways, so here we go. I've got y is greater than x minus 2.
Yep, that's right.
So it's dashed. Now I need to shade the solution. So where are my y's greater than this line? Pretty good with this?
Yes. I've got a positive one.
Now, I need to graph the other line.
Can I get you to sign this? It's Thomas or something. Thompson.
Thanks. Other line. Y is less than or equal to negative x plus 1. Y-intercept is at positive 1. The slope is negative 1. So we're going to go down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. I could also go up 1, left 1. Up 1, left 1. Up 1, left 1. Up 1, left 1. Up left, up left, up left, up left.
That section right there.
Solid or dashed? Solid. What does that represent if it's solid? That means that these points are part of the solution.
This is the bottom half.
And then if I need all y's that are less than this line, I'm shading here.
That's crazy.
Do we follow that? So what's my solution?
That part right there.
The double shaded.
The ones that are purple and red. The ones that are both shaded.
How would you type that in the Savant Easy Revision?
I had to figure out how to shade on there.
Yeah, me too.
I was like, was it
I didn't know what I was doing. I just started. I got it wrong 4 times. So I was like, what freaking did wrong?
So this part is the answer. Now, here's my question. A point that's on this purple line. So, let me find a point. Negative 3, negative 5. It's going to be hard to see. It's right here. Negative 3, negative 5. Is this a solution?
no, it's not.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is.
No, because that one is.
It is. It is on the purple line.
That's not a solution.
Why not?
It's on the dash line.
That's correct. Dash line means it's not included. Think about plugging that in here. If I'm plugging in negative 3, negative 5, is negative 5 greater than negative 3 minus 2? So is negative 5 greater than negative 5?
No.
That's why it's not a solution. Now, what if I picked a point here? Let's say that's the point negative 1, 2.
Does that work?
Is that a solution? See the difference?
Yes.
So now if I plug that in, negative 1, 2, plug it in here. Is 2 greater than negative 1 minus 2? So is 2 greater than negative 3? Yeah. And then plug the same point in here. 2 is less than or equal to negative 1 plus 1. So is 2 less than or equal to 1 plus 1? 2 less than or equal to 2? So it makes them both true at the same time. If it's on a solid line, where both are shaded, it makes it true. If it's on a dashed line, where both are shaded, then it's false. Questions? You guys ready to try some? Think you can do it?
Do I need crayons?
You probably will need a couple different colors. I've got crayons, I've got colored pencils. You might have pens. I got graph paper, whatever you